Want to let your customer personalize the product items by uploading their own files? Well, this video got just the thing for you. I will show you how to add an upload image button to your Shopify product page while using a super affordable and powerful app called EXPO. First, activate EXPO. Go to the Option Sets tab in EXPO where you can manage all the option sets of your products. To create a new one, click on the Create Option Set button. You will be taken to a configuration page where you can begin customizing the sample option set. Second, to add a file upload option to the option set, let's modify the sample option. I'm gonna give it a name. Then tick the checkbox if it is a required option. And finally, select File Upload from the drop-down menu of the option type. If desired, you can customize other settings for the option in the advanced settings. Here, I will include a tooltip description on the label, and then I want it to display the validation alert text when the file upload fails. And now, an important step is to assign the option set to specific products. To assign products, there are 3 options available. You can choose all products, or choose one by one to manually select each product, or choose by conditions that match the products. Here I choose the assigned products being a boxy t-shirt. In order to ensure about the settings, you should click Live Preview to preview them first. Once you're satisfied with the results, save and go to the front end to test them out in action. To test out as a customer, I'm gonna personalize a t-shirt by uploading an image. Now I just add it to my cart, and it perfectly shows in the cart to let customer ensure about the item. Additionally, the great thing is that with EXPO, you can add more conditions to display file upload field. If you want to appear only after customer make a specific choice, you need to create an option that corresponds to that choice. For instance, if you add a choice list option to ask customer if they want the print on demand option, in the option value, you can add $2 for the yes option. Now, go back to the file upload option configuration. Under Visibility, click Add Logic. Then choose the Print on Demand option with its option value Yes, which will trigger the display of the file upload option. Finally, don't forget to preview and save all the updates. Now you can let your customer choose an additional option before uploading files to customize the items on the product page. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. Happy customizing!